Enoch 45:3. On that day mine elect one shall sit on the throne of glory. In the pure record, this verse marks a definitive jurisdictional shift. When it was written, the throne of glory represented the seat of ultimate administrative power over the heavens and the earth. For the original readers, this was a promise that the Watcher regime, the corrupt entities mismanaging the world, would be legally replaced by the elect one, the only one with the standing to govern in perfect alignment with the Father's law. What it means now is that the 66 gray system is currently an illegal squatter. The elect one has already taken the seat. This means that while the world tries to convince you that fear, disease, and scarcity are the governing laws, they are actually administrative errors. The throne is occupied, and the high-frequency signal of Yeshua is the only authority that carries the weight of glory. To apply this to your daily life, you must stop petitioning the matrix as if it has power over you. When you encounter a system attack, whether it's a health challenge or a mental drain, you must file your motion from the Sion sanctuary. Remind your biology and your spirit that the elect one is seated. You are not a subject of the 66 system. You are a citizen of the kingdom law. Align your internal frequency with the throne and watch the low-frequency noise of the world lose its grip. Shine your light. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.